Okay, here we are up on a beautiful view. I'm going to go into a lot more detail about it. This is the I have it labeled accordingly, Chapel of something of Penha, and you got these sweeping views, and I'm going to go much slower and kind of go walk around a little bit and explore, so stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So if you want to see what we're looking at, this is 1622, the Chapel of Our Lady of Penha. And in Portuguese and in Chinese. Okay, how should we go about this? So this is Mother Mary statue right there. And I think we saw 1633, I think something, 1600s. There's another little grotto over there, but it looks like we can't get there, but there's a grotto right in there. And I think I did film it a long time ago, but that's probably lost somewhere in my many things. And you can see some rooftops everywhere around here. Some pretty cool trees too. But yeah, that's all blocked because of this red and white. So I don't know if it's because of COVID or because we recently had a typhoon. I'm not sure which. So you can see some water over there. So right over there is China. But this all this big stuff that we see is all Macau. So this is, every piece of this is all Macau. And then you can see stuff like Grand Lisboa Casino, which is pretty amazing at night. And these are some other casinos. Wynn, MGM, and then this bridge. There's a waterfront right here. There's more water, but this all waterfront is in Macau itself. So they'll do dragon boat races in here. And you can see some flags maybe way out in the distance in the water. Those are for the dragon boat races. They go around them, I guess. Some courthouses, Macau Tower, of course. And all that is all Macau. That's Taipa. So that's over here as well. And then over this is all China, Hengqin, China. You can hear a lot of construction over that way as well. They're well, actually the construction's on the Macau side, but there's construction on that side as well. And let's focus on the church a little bit. So now you got the view. So you basically got views all over the place, and it overlooks the water as well. And nice places to sit. Yeah, and actually if you walk down, which I'll be doing later, but it'll just all be residential stuff, and some of it's kind of cool. I don't know if I'm gonna film it or not. Kind of being a little bit selective with my battery. Kind of cool little things in here. There you go. So yep, that's basically this chapel here. Yeah, there's a little tiny grotto in here, which I don't think we can get to, but if we could, we would. I'm sure I could disobey it, but there are cars parked up here, so I think it's better if I don't. The grotto is kind of what you'd see in a typical Catholic grotto. There's like a Mother Mary, and then there's some other little shrine things. So anyways, I think what we're gonna do from here is we'll just kind of walk down, and when we get down there, there's gonna be some like tourist shops, but it's the height of COVID, so they're basically empty. Actually, when I came in, they were asking me like, "Oh, do you want some tea?" He was serving himself a cup of tea, and they said, "How about, you want some water then?" And yeah, he's kind of desperate for a sale. I don't think they get many people anymore. Beautiful fountain. So we did a video like that earlier. Yeah. There's a woman there doing Tai Chi, which is kind of cool, because earlier she was doing she was hitting her knee really hard, like a circulation thing. So now she's doing a Tai Chi. Yeah, we had a typhoon maybe let me see, today is actually a Tuesday, and the typhoon was what day was that? It was just maybe 4 or 5 days ago anyways. Maybe 5 or 6 days ago. just during the week last week. But there's some evidence of the typhoon, and we're gonna walk by some of that too. And over here, there's some of the evidence of the typhoon. So basically, there's a big pile of all the stuff that goes all the way down. Then you can walk down one of these ways. Yeah, there's all the evidence of the typhoon, so it goes all the way down. They just kind of brush, you know, put it all out there. So let's check out this view here. So you have all of that. And all of this. Okay, so let's walk back on out. Beautiful trees in Macau. When they had this other mirada, view of the Penha. When they had this giant typhoon 3 years ago, a lot of these trees went down. A lot of trees went down, but it was so strong that these massive, massive ones went down. So whenever I see the ones that survived, so like, yeah, 3 years ago, like these entire roots would be like, this whole cement would just be completely shaken, moved, flipped over. So here's the back side of the church. And I'm just gonna walk past this brush a little bit. And then you can see, this is kind of where some of the tourist stuff is at. Post office. Got some shrines. Okay, so anyways, I think we're gonna end it right there.